Action cameras are great for vlogging as they are small, lightweight, mountable, and in most cases, waterproof. So, you get tons of opportunities with them to capture your shots with more precision. From skateboards to helmets or body parts, they can easily be mounted to capture every moment. Besides, action cameras are not capable enough to shoot professional-like videos, making them perfect for vlogging. Want to find out which action camera is likely to be more suitable for you? Then watch till the end, as in this video, we have shown the 5 best action cameras for vlogging that are ready to capture your every adventure. For those who want to start shooting vlogs with an affordable option, meet the Akaso Brave 8, which will allow you to capture decent quality footage without breaking your bank. Performance-wise, this action camera comes with a 1x2-inch CMOS sensor that can capture up to 4K video in 60 frames per second. A variety of video modes are available to choose from according to your preference, allowing you to capture more crispy, vivid, and lifelike moments. Its built-in microphone is a major upgrade from Brave 7, having a really good quality microphone that can capture your voice more precisely. With its 1550 mAh battery, this action cam will deliver you up to 90 minutes of 4K video recording. Overall, the Akaso Brave 8 is a huge upgrade from its predecessors and definitely a worthy buy in this price range. If you're looking for the best affordable action cam, then Akaso Brave 8 is for you. Capture stunning videos anywhere and share them instantly on social media with DJI Pocket 2, and can perform almost exactly as well as traditional action cameras. With a 1x1.7-inch sensor and 64-megapixel camera, the Pocket 2 will provide a vivid cinematic look. You can also capture 4K videos at 60 FPS, which will give your video more detail and smoothness. It also comes with a 3-axis gimbal, which will allow you to get stable footage while on the move, even for long exposure shots and in a low-light environment. The Pocket 2 also comes with built-in 4 microphones, which enhances the audio based on the camera's direction and focus. With a 90 degrees angle of view, you'll get a more flexible capture and perfectly composed shots for your YouTube channel. You will also get an AI editor, which automatically combines your clips with transitions and music to create share-worthy content. It will offer up to 140 minutes of battery life, which is more than enough to get your creative shots. All in all, with amazing videos and an automatic editing tool, the DJI Pocket 2 is small enough to fit in your palm and can go anywhere. Make the world your playground and share everything you see with the Insta360 Go 2, which is a thumb-sized action cam with mighty power. This tiny cam comes with a powerful 1x2.3-inch image sensor to shoot highly detailed and crisp video. You can also record 1440p videos at 50 FPS. The Go 2 also comes with 6-axis image stabilization and horizon leveling algorithms to keep your video steady no matter where you mount it. The cam also comes with a pocket-sized case, which works as a charger, remote control, and tripod. With magnetic accessories, you can mount it anywhere and shoot hands-free. It also comes with hyperlapse, slow motion, and time-lapse features, which will help you to make your content more creative. With AI auto editing, you can edit them together on the beat to the music. It also comes with an IPX8 rating, which will allow you to take it under the water for up to 4 meters. You'll also get up to 130 minutes with the charging case to shoot whatever you like and make it memorable. In general, for portability, sensor, and stability, the Insta360 Go 2 is the tiny yet mighty action cam which will deliver quality content. Get smoother, faster, and better performance with GoPro Hero 10, which will deliver unbelievable video quality and vivid color for your vlogging content. With a powerful GP2 processor, the Hero 10 will provide game-snappy performance, responsive touch controls, and amazingly smooth footage. It also comes with a 23-megapixel camera for high-resolution photos and videos. You can also record 4K videos at 120 FPS and 5.3K at 60 FPS. It will also let you shoot with fine detail, realistic textures, and stunning contrast even under low-light conditions. The Hero 10 also comes with a Hypersmooth 4.0 feature, which will let you capture stable and impossibly smooth videos. With the Quick app, you can share your photos and videos from the cloud storage to your phone. It also comes with various kinds of mods to give you more possibilities. The cam also comes with a rugged and waterproof design, which will give you the ability to shoot under the water for up to 33 feet. Altogether, for outstanding performance and high resolution, the GoPro Hero 10 is perfect and convenient for content creators. Grab more of your surroundings with DJI Action 2, which will help you to create your finest content with its overall best performance and camera quality. The Action 2 comes with a 1x1.7-inch sensor to capture smooth quality footage and images even in the low light. You can also record 4K videos at 60fps and 120fps for slow motion videos. With ultra-wide 155 degrees of FOV, it will enhance your perspective and improve the depth of field. It also comes with DJI's latest stabilization technology called Rocksteady 2.0 and Horizon Steady to reduce the camera shake and rotation in real life. With the magnetic design, the Action 2 will let you freely snap and switch between powerful modules and accessories, and it's also strong enough to resist drop, shock, dust, and water up to 10 meters. The cam also supports digital zoom, time-lapse, 8x slow motion video, and an AI editor which will take your video to the next level. For the most part, for its impressive sensor, outstanding video quality, and ultra-wide view, the DJI Action 2 is the best action cam for vlogging with its overall best performance. So, that was all about the top 5 best action camera for vlogging in 2022, just for you. Which one do you want to buy? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.